This is the local Artisan Collective over at the Ogden Nature Center Earth Day event.
Awesome.
Tell us about what you guys do.
My name is Jenny, and I'm one of the co-owners of the collective. And this is my husband, Rene.
Yes, well, I make jewelry. I teach in Weber State University, and also I teach private classes in our store. I work in gold and silver. If you had any project, I can teach you how to make the project, start the project. If you had a stone, bring the stone too. And also we had a lot of stone, and I can teach how to make your own project, bracelet, pendants, earrings, whenever you want.
Nice. Very cool. Here's some of his items he makes. All right, this is Amanda.
Hi, I'm Amanda, and I am a seamstress. And I upcycle clothing. I also make clothing from what I call from scratch. And I'll take special orders if you want. But I no longer do bridals. But just let me know what you need, and I'll help you out.
Great. Thanks, Amanda. Well, let's go see what's in our booth next door. We have some of these beautiful items over here too, from Susan Snyder, Roxanne, and our children's Earth. Clothes. Here's our kids' activity booth for the collective. Dog. This is Kate Bruce. So we are here also to talk to Barb Crosbie, Kate Bruce. What do you guys do?
Well, I'm a potter at the local Artisan Collective, so I make a wide variety of hand-built and wheel-thrown pieces. And I also like to teach a lot at the collective to both adults and children. And my counterpart, Kate here, is an awesome painter. She does all these lovely florals and horses.
Kate, why don't you tell us what you like to do?
I just am happy painting. I love flowers, I love animals, I love the whimsy and the color. I love teaching, and I love painting every day.
Nice. Here's some of Barb's pottery.
You can put a lot of or your drink or whatever. Enjoy that.
Thank you.
I'll be back. You have a great day.
That was handmade, wasn't it?
It was. I made it.
Susan Snyder is also with the collective. Susan, why don't you tell us what you do at the collective?
I am a watercolorist, and I teach children's art classes and adult art classes, and I have a really good time.